And welcome back to Clean Eating and Exercises. I'm Ashley. Today, I am going to show you different moves you can do with the Bosu ball. We are going to strengthen our arms, our core, our legs, and even our butt. All right, so let's get started. We are going to be starting with a burpee. Crazy, right? Watch. You are going to bring the ball down, soft side. Shoot your legs out to a plank, keeping your heels lifted. You want to stay on your toes, keeping your body forward, shoulders over your wrists, planting your hands flat on top of the ball. You want to keep all of these motions running together continuously, bringing that ball straight over your head, flat part. And you're going to breathe. We're going to bring up that heart rate, that cardio. Looking good, looking good. That burpee, great total body workout. All right, let's go to our next one. We're gonna focus just on our core and upper body. So you're gonna twist, pushing that back up into a shoulder press. Twist to the other side. Now what you wanna make sure of is you're twisting at your waist. Your hips stay centered. Your feet are a little wider than your hips. You have soft knees. Twisting right at that waistline, moving that spine. As the ball goes above your head, your shoulders are dropped. And you are breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth, slower breaths. All right, let's go to the next one. These are all different exercises you can do with a Bosu ball. We are going to put the flat part down, lie down on our back, feet on top, and scoot your butt all the way to the end of the ball. Back completely flat, so pull those abs in, arms over, knees right over the hips, and you're gonna push into a bridge, and then squeeze, 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 coming down, going to a complete flat back. Now, as you go up into that bridge, pushing those hips up, the instability on top of the ball, your knees are gonna wanna open. I want you to focus on pulling right under the hips. They don't need to touch your knees, but I want them to go right in front of the hips. Arms right over. You can add a weight to this if you want, just holding the weight in your hands. You are breathing, pulling your back down, squeezing your abs, squeezing your butt. Good job. All right, we're just gonna keep on moving. Again, these are all ideas you can do with the Bosu ball. Okay, next one. We're gonna flip it over. Now, this is a squat. This is how you're gonna get into it. Put your foot on one side, plant it firmly down. Make sure you're wearing shoes that have a grip. Foot on the other side, and you're gonna get to the middle of it, adjust yourself. And if this is enough for you, just stay right here. Otherwise, we are gonna go into a squat. Now, the squat does not have to be deep. As you can tell, the lower you go, the more wobbling it's going to happen. Just like your arms, you probably have a stronger leg than the other one. So that's kind of where that wobbling can come from. I want you to breathe. Now, if you want to add a little bit more, you can see my arm motion going to a bicep curl. You can do that. And you can even add weights to this. Good. You just continue to breathe, find something to focus on, look front. All right, to get off of it, exactly how you get back on. Go to one side, release the foot, release the other foot. All right, let's continue on to the next move. We are gonna go into mountain climbers. So into a plank, and then you draw that knee in. Now I'm doing a twisting mountain climber, so I'm taking the knee going to the opposite elbow. You can go straight under your chest, but I want you to stay light on your toes, keep your shoulders front, look over your fingers, and breathe, breathe, breathe. Cardio right here, drawing that knee up. All right, take a rest. Let's continue on. Flip the ball over, soft part on top. Next, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna go into a dead lift. So you're gonna stand on top circle right between both of your legs. Soft knees. You're gonna reach your body forward into a hinge, flat back, lift your body up. Go forward and then lift up. Abs pulled in so we keep the spine straight. So you can see right there a little wobble. That's the instability I absolutely love with the Bosu ball. It really challenges you to find your balance, increases your ab strength. All right. We are going to stay with the ball this way. We're going to go into toe taps. What I want you to think about is reaching your foot up to that top of the ball, using your abs, using that hip, and you're going to tap back and forth. Whoop. That can happen. I want you to look front. Find something to focus on. Drive those arms. Keep your heel up and breathe, breathe, breathe. Reaching that foot to the top of the ball. All right. A little cardio moment right there. So let's just continue on. Last move we're going to do is a front lunge. Again, ball to the top, foot to the top of the ball, and then you are going to bend your back knee. I want you to work on that back knee, bending it under the hip because I want to stretch that quad. You are lifting your heel, and you can do whatever you want with your arms. Have them in front of your chest, have them on your hips, have them hanging down. It is your choice, whatever helps with your balance. Looking forward, keeping your spine straight, not letting it tilt forward. Good, dropping that knee right under. And that's it. Those are different moves you can do with the Bosu ball. Save this video. You're gonna get your arms, your abs, your legs, everything. And if you're interested in a Bosu ball, check out my description. Here's your next video.